I thought about going out to Burger King and getting a Philly melt, and then I thought, let's just make a facsimile of the melt at home. Their patties are 2 ounces, my patty's 2.8. They say Swiss cheese, their cheese looks really white. They're not flame roasted, but let's take a bite, okay? I'm really hungry. Brioche buns. Brioche bun halves. Oh. There you go. That's Zeta's home Philly melt with my own royal sauce. Here we go. Mmm. Oh. Mmm. 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 That's really good. Mmm. Oh yeah. I haven't made a burger in a while. I really like this griddle. Fits perfectly on the 2 small burners. Gets nice and hot. Make sure you deglaze it while it's still hot. That way it'll be easy cleaning. Let's take another bite. Oh! Messy! Mmm. My sauce, if you break it down, it's a little weird. I've never bought Yum Yum sauce. I've never bought the horseradish sauce. I thought, let's combine a whole bunch of stuff, and we did. And you know what? It's pretty darn tasty. Let's take one more bite, which means 2 or 3. It's getting a little... Mmm. All right, here we go. Here we go. Mmm. The messy is part of the fun. I'll put the recipe for my white sauce, if you dare to try it, in the description. I didn't put much horseradish sauce, but I can taste it. I say it all the time. This is the final bite. Ooh, it's getting messy. Let's do it. Thanks for joining me this Wednesday. You know what I'm going to say. What am I going to say? Thanks for watching. Mmm. Oh. Mmm. Mmm. Oh. Mmm.